It is said that the beautiful view always comes after the hardest climb, and that's very much true in my case. This place is in near VINEET and known as 700. You can see the beautiful scenario here. I am reminded of the famous work Magic Mountain, Thomas Mann's Magic Mountain. Hence Kastrop, a war-weary person, a person suffering from the anxiety and depression of the World War II, goes to the mountain area and comes out of all of his depression and becomes very much spiritual. So this feeling is very much understood by me, because if you can see the beauty, you'll understand the strong feeling that I got to have is like, leave everything, just get settled. This is beautiful Kerala. I'll take the camera in my own hand to show you. That's cold breeze. Woo! As you all know that I try to give you some references of literature. This was the reason I talked about Thomas Mann, Magic Mountain, and the hero. He goes through the transformation. He becomes very much happy, spiritual, philosopher, and just imagine that who else won't be the same if you be here. If you are here, you too can become very much philosopher. This is Kerala. This area is very near to VINEET, and this place is known as 700. This is called the bliss of nature. Apart from these things, there are many other books written by writers dealing with mountains, like Go Tell It on the Mountain and the Mountain Echoes, Mountain Intervals. Find out the names of the writers. If you remember, you can type in the comment box. And moreover, you may also tell that how mountains, they had a great impact on your mindset, on your conditions. Were you ever depressed, went to a tour of mountain and changed your life? You can write it in the comments. Let the people know that nature is still gifting us a lot of things. This is VINEET Pandey with the beautiful scenario, and I always remember my students here. So wish you luck, and through my eyes, if you can see the nature, I'll be very happy. May God bless you.